guys, so welcome to another video, another series if you tell, the ultimate experiments. So we are going to try some experiments. So today is the first experiment number 1, which is known as magic volcano. So these are the things what we should do, and we will try these experiments. Let's go. So we are starting with the water. We put 2 drops of this red food color of red and mix it with water, 30 ml of water, and mixing with the stirring it with the stirrer. After that we put 4 scoops of citric acid into the container. This 4 scoops of citric acid we put into the container.
Then
Wait. Flask, sorry, not container, it's flask. Conical flask.
next,
Then we put 4 scoops of baking soda inside the conical flask.
I want
One more.
Last time you did it.
Now we shake the flask well.
Not like that. This.
We shake it well. Huh?
I'll do it. Then we make the whole thing erupt. It's a fountain.
And it's a volcano.
Can't you put a
It's more like a fountain. Watching, guys, and if you like the experiment, like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.